This is Eric Shelton from The Fugitives, and you are listening to the one and only Tri-Cities Local Music Radio.
Stormcraft struggling with fate.
Stand on the edge of time where fact and faith collide. I dwell in the dawn and I must find my way back to the end. I hold the world in my hands, yet I can't escape my mind. I am the slave of destiny, but vengeance will be mine. The cards are shuffled and now my hand is dealt. The tower came up. It seems I've come to the end of the road. There's nowhere to go. Yes, all that past has brought me here. And much is clear. The truth stares back at me from the you love, but I don't see it. So I sit here thinking about it all over and over again. I see all that is, all that was, and all that will ever be. In the end, I can think of only one thing. Let the tower roll.
Hey, what's up? This is Nikki with the band Lucid Fly, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
There's Not Afraid, Black Tide.
My body's aching with hatred.
11 Sports Bar and Tri-City Local Music present Cruising for St. Jude Children's Hospital Poker Run, August 29th. Registration begins at 11 Sports Bar at 11 a.m. Registration is $15. Kickstands up at 12 noon. Car destinations begin at Hell Yeah Saloon, Pulls Gap, Tennessee, Tennessee Veterans Post 1, Morristown, Tennessee, Barbarossa Saloon, Del Rio, Tennessee, Goob's Place, Newport, Tennessee. Come back to 11 Sports Bar for food, 50/50 drawing, and live music provided by Tri-City Local Music featuring Belfast Six Pack and Bent to Break. Show seating starts at 8. Come ride for a great cause.
Hey guys, this is Severance. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
There's never again 3 shades of red. These guys rock.